So you got a Dell laptop with this rubberized coating that's gotten all sticky. Not very fun to work on. And you've tried using cleaners and you just made it even stickier. Or you tried scraping it off and then, yeah, it's not sticky, but it doesn't look very good. Well, have I got the solution for you. It's called a pencil eraser. Just simply take this, give it a good scrub. Now that doesn't look good, but wipe it away. Rub off any of the last little. Now, not quite as dark as it was, but it is definitely not sticky. And you don't have to buy any crazy expensive cleaners. You just need the good old pencil eraser. Look at that, buttery smooth. Makes a little mess.